Hey guys, and welcome back to Mesha's Corner. If you're new to my channel, thank you for subscribing. Today I'll be making meal prep lunch for my boo. So yeah, in my bowl here I have 2 chicken breasts, boneless, skinless. To this I'm going to add some black pepper. Seasoning it up pretty simply. It's just lunch, some all-purpose seasoning. Remember, all ingredient measurement is always in my description box. I'm also going to use this Grill Mates roasted garlic and herb spice. Everything I'm using I found in Kroger. And you're going to mix this up. All I'm going to do is sear it on the stove top 6 minutes each side until it's nice and cooked. These are about medium sized. Alright you guys, so I'm going to make a fresh bright salad to go alongside that chicken. Right here I have an English cucumber. It's a long one, but I cut it in half. I have a jalapeno. We're going to use a little piece of that. I have a red pepper, half of a red pepper here. We have watermelon back here. And for the dressing, it's going to be pretty easy and simple. You guys know I do not add oil to my dressings. I just don't like it. So I'm just going to use some lime zest, lime juice, and some agave, which will be the dressing for the salad. And I'm also going to chop up some fresh basil down in here. Alright, so I'm just going to show you a couple of these just to let you see how small I'm chopping them. I'm going down the middle. With these English cucumbers, you do not have to peel them. And they're very convenient. I'm just going to slice it down 3 times and down this way. They don't have to be perfect. It's a salad. Now the jalapeno and the basil will be chopped really small. Actually, the jalapeno is going to be chopped as small as I can get it. So, same thing here. I'll just come back once I get to the jalapeno. No problem. Alright guys, so now I'm on to my jalapeno. Let me make sure I'm focused. Yes. Now you're going to take your jalapeno. Thinner strips. You know how we cut the vegetables, bigger strips? We want thinner strips. This is my dull knife, y'all. The other ones were dirty. They're finna be washed in the washer. So, you see how thin this is? You want it thin. Because you can't put those big old pieces of jalapeno in there. That's going to make it too hot. Then you want to go long ways. And we're going to cut down. Yeah, this knife is giving me an issue here. Alright, so then you end up with these little pieces, like these little guys right here. We're going to do this and break them down some more. Alright you guys, so now my basils. You're going to take your basil leaves, stack them up. This salad is the hardest part, which is not hard, but like, you know, it's pretty simple. Once you get the prep done, you're done. You want to roll it up like a log. Then you're going to slice it down. This is also going to add huge flavor to your salad. Especially if you're somebody that doesn't like salad dressings, period. This is one of them where you don't even need it. But because this is especially for meal prep, I want him to have something, you know, by the second day he needs to have something to get it nice and, you know, luscious. There we go. I was trying to find the right word. Alright guys, I'm going to put it all together and show you what it looks like. Okay you guys, so we're going to mix this up. We'll try to toss it since I'm being silly with this little bowl. I'm not going to put the dressing on the salad because of the lime juice. And remember, he's eating this for 2 days. So I don't want it to break down the veggies and fruit before he gets to the second day. So I'm going to make the salad dressing, and I'm basically just going to pour it into a Ziploc bag. Like put like an ounce of dressing in Ziploc bags. And let them go like that. If you're eating this the same day, sure, toss it with your salad dressing, no problem. So now I'm just going to put some and fill up this container. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. I think so. I'm gonna fill up your containers. And then we're gonna move on to searing the chicken. While the chicken is searing, we're gonna work on the dressing, which is pretty simple and easy. Alright, you guys, so in this bowl right here, I have lime zest and lime juice. To this, they're gonna add some black pepper. Just a tiny bit, just a little sprinkling dink. Then you're gonna use your agave. A couple tablespoons of that. You don't want it to be too sweet. And mix it up, that's it. Like, it's pretty simple and easy. Light, fresh. You know, really good for the summer. It's nice and cold. Especially by the time he gets to it, it's going to be really, really nice and cold. And you just pour this fresh dressing right over and you're done. So I'm going to show you guys how to put this in a Ziploc bag. And that's it. Here I am thinking it was recording and it wasn't, but this is basically what I did. I transferred it to a cup that was pourable. I probably should have made it in that cup. You just want to take it and pour it in there. Just a couple tablespoons of it. This is probably too much, but that's okay. Just a couple tablespoons of it. Make sure you get all the air out. I don't have those little tiny Tupperware containers. I probably do need to go to the dollar store and get some, but this is my alternate for right now, and this is what I have to do, so do not judge me. And this is what it looks like. He just opens it and pour it right down on his salad, and that's it. Done. Alright, you guys, so I have my chicken down in some coconut oil, and I'm just going to stir them for about 6 minutes on each side till they're perfect. We're going to slice it up, pack it up like we did the vegetables, and that's it. Alright, you guys, so I'm just going to flip my chicken over. Ooh, look at that color. Yummy. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some thyme on here. I'm going to sprinkle on some thyme. I'm not going to flip it again, but the heat from the pan will add enough to wilt down the fresh thyme. That's all you're going to do. It's extra flavor. Definitely optional. That looks so good. You can put some down in the pot too. That's also going to add flavor. So these thyme leaves are beautiful. Okay, Kroger. Also, guys, quick tip. Kroger has an amazing sale going on this weekend. Not sure when this video is going out. Oh, man. Maybe I should put this video out today so you guys can maybe get a last minute pop into the store. So, yeah. I'm going to let this cook another 5 minutes on the next side, and it's pretty much done. Alright, you guys, I have my containers nice and ready. Now I'm just going to slice up my chicken breasts. They've been sitting here for about 10 minutes. I let them rest. And I'm slicing them the long way. And of course, they're perfect. Do not overcook your chicken breast, guys. They cook up really fast. So don't cook them to death. Especially if you're meal prepping, because remember, with meal prep, you have to heat it up again. So even if it's a little underdone, not like pink or raw, but like a little underdone, that's fine, because you have to heat it up over and over and over. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the chicken and put it right down into this meal prep container right here. And I'm going to slice the other one up. And if I have some pan juices, I'm probably going to put it right down on it, but it doesn't need it. It's nice and juicy. The chicken breast is perfect. And sprinkle on some more thyme and pack it up. Alright, you guys, so this is what it looks like for 2 days. This is his lunch right here. So this is probably going to be for tomorrow, and this is for Tuesday. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick, easy, simple, healthy work lunch recipe. And yeah, so try it out, you guys. Easy and simple, fast, doesn't take that much ingredients, and I think all of this came up to about, I don't know, $10, if that, with, of course, with excessive ingredients left over. You know, it's at least 6 packs of breasts that come into a pack, and I still have 4 in the refrigerator. So, you know, it's a bargain basically. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I'll see you guys next time on my next video. Bye guys.